Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Your lawn can be weakened by continuous cold weather and frost throughout the cooler months of the year. It's not unusual to see even the best lawns lose colour during this time. But if you would prefer your lawn to stay healthy and green through the winter months, then there is a solution for you. Today I'm going to give you a tip on how you can protect your lawn from frost damage, maintain plant health and give your lawn a beautiful natural green colour as well. It's not a paint, it's an organic pigment called ColourGuard. An application with ColourGuard will instantly restore colour by providing natural green pigment that is absorbed by the grass leaf, where it also helps to strengthen and protect it from the cold and frost. Simply attach the ready-to-use bottle to your hose, remove the clip and apply to your lawn. You can also use a concentrate mixed in a knapsack or pressure sprayer. ColourGuard will last up to 3 months or up until the next time you mow, where the treated leaf will be removed. If you are selling your home, have an important event coming up, or want to keep your lawn at optimum health, then ColourGuard is the answer. If you have some overspray on the concrete or hard surfaces, unclip the hose and simply wash it away before it dries and leaves a stain. For more helpful lawn care tips and advice, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia. We hope to catch you next time.